Hey guys, this is Liz from Cincinnati Incorporated. Come with us on a tour of the Hendrick Motorsports facilities. Right now we are walking into the Hendrick Motorsports Heritage Center. We aren't allowed to film those, so we're not going to show you. If you really want to see it, you'll have to come here for a tour of our showroom. Okay, so now we are walking into the Hendrick Technical Solutions Center. Chase, he's one of our product application specialists, and he's going to vend a part for us.
We're vending a cabinet support. On this machine specifically, we're showing off Iris Plus, which is the angle measuring system. So we'll go ahead and vend this up for you. There we have it. We got a go or no go gauge here. It fits right in.
I'm gonna bend apart myself, here we go. Did it! Woohoo! That's how easy it is. Thank you so much for joining us today and getting a little taste of our Cincinnati Incorporated partnership with Hendrick Motorsports. If you want to come see it for yourself, be sure to book a demo at our showroom.